Alright, so got it all done. I actually took my time to, as you can see, cut out the holes. Little retainer clips holes right there. And try to look as neat as possible. Contour everything. Actually took the, like I said, I put brand new speakers in, so I took the speaker off and it's actually behind it. I gotta run these in right here. Not gonna be very hard. And other than that, you really take about 45 minutes to an hour, the entire door. You can hear the difference. Let me show you. So, boom. Obviously it's gonna sound better right here compared to just the single parts. Obviously it's not one big piece, so it's gonna still have a rattle to it, but I mean, it's like you trying to hit this and expect it to sound like this when there's only this much of the metal that I didn't. And I'll do right here, look. So, like I said, 33 bucks on eBay. Don't mind it at all. It does not smell. No odor whatsoever. Very, very easy to install. It's not thick, so I mean it contours a little bit easier. This tool really helped out, but the only thing is it's sort of trashy. I kept rubbing, but I mean, it didn't bother me. It really helped out a lot. Threw it on, rubbed it. Like I said, about an hour. Safe to say. I mean, say if you just throw it all over and don't move wires and I guess cover the wires, it'd be done in about 30 minutes. But I mean, overall, it looks nice. Let's see how it performs. I already hooked the speakers up to it, got power, soldered everything running. It really didn't shake in the first place, but I mean, why not? Like I said, you come by a good deal, you can't pass it up. Oh, another thing I realized, the door is noticeably heavier. Not crazy, like another 30 pounds, but I mean, it's probably about another 2 pounds. I say about a 2-pound difference. I mean, I can feel it just by pushing it open and closed. Like I said, I like it. I'm about to throw everything on. Turn up the bass on this front speaker. Like I said, it never really rattled before, but I mean, it's something I do. Like I said, I got it for a deal, so I was like, yeah, why not? Have the speakers, make everything go better. Alright. Hope you enjoyed.